I am happy to join you here today to talk about a very important topic, how to forecast and plan for success in 2023. After health and safety, customer centricity is the most important value at Cemex. Providing you with the quality products you need, where and when you need them, is key to your and our success. But first, let's start by answering why forecasting is critical to a successful 2023. Forecasting is always critical, even more in the current building materials environment. Local cement production across the US is running at maximum capacity, requiring us to bring other products or imports to meet present demand. This additional volume typically comes from other states or countries, taking weeks, even months, to get to your markets. So to better serve you, we need to understand your backlog, your secure projects, in order to prepare a realistic forecast of your demand requirements. Some things to consider when understanding and talking about your project pipeline and your capacity to meet demand. We need to start, for example, understanding what's your truck count, number of production lines, amount of labor, your operational throughput and efficiencies. If there are some bottlenecks in your entire process, it will be very unrealistic to meet any anticipated growth, and our forecast won't be accurate. Another thing to consider is if your supply chain, not only in cement, but other raw materials or equipment, are set up for changes in your demand. By understanding all your needs in advance, it will allow us to evaluate alternatives to fulfill your product requirements. Having your monthly and yearly realistic demand estimates will help us have an efficient supply chain and minimize disruptions. Knowing very well what you expect from your customers and what you can do realistically will provide us with a better picture. Thus, we can provide you with a more accurate estimate of what solutions we can provide or any incremental costs you can expect. Cemex has the strongest logistics network in the country, and by working together with you in having the best forecast, we can be well prepared to bring you our amazing products and offer alternatives to meet your demand. The role of alternatives is very important nowadays because supply is limited. Having flexibility to use other products, such as blended cements or imports, opens up a world of opportunities for you to capture additional growth. Cemex has a variety of products, such as regular Portland cements, but we also have blended cements, such as limestone cements, pozzolanic, slag, and mortars that can be a supplement or substitute to your current process. We also have access to overseas sources in most of our markets, allowing us to adjust our supply very easily to meet your demands. So let us know in advance if you are planning on increasing your fleet size, adding an additional production line or shift to capture increasing demand. We will be able to provide you with the best estimate on product availability and price. Finally, I want to stress the relevance of communication. Communicating with your suppliers to ensure they can better fulfill your product requirements is essential in planning for a successful 2023. So please, communicate your needs with your Cemex sales representative. Our goal is to help you satisfy the expectations of your customers. And please remember, one-off, large projects, large pours, or any large anticipated changes in demand should be communicated ahead of time so we can be ready to supply or evaluate alternatives. Here at Cemex, we are fully vested in helping you succeed in 2023. So let's plan and work together. Thank you and stay safe.